Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove a credit card from your Shopify store in just a few easy steps. First of all, log into your Shopify admin account. From your dashboard, head down to the settings option in the bottom left corner. After that, next click on Blink section. This is where all your payment information is stored, including your credit card details. Under payment method, you will see your active credit card information. To remove the card, click on the three dots next to the card and select remove. Shopify will ask you to confirm this action. Once you confirm, the card will be removed from your account. And that's it, you have successfully removed your credit card from your Shopify store. If needed, you can always add a new payment method later. Thanks for watching.